Hello everybody, this is Dr. Ram Kasi Vishwanathan from Aja Commerce Academy, Hyderabad. So this video is about examining a case law in income tax for CA final, and let's analyze it threadbare. So the idea is you should be able to understand how the legal provisions are interpreted. Okay, now as part of your study you will study a bunch of legal aspects, provisions. What you should also know from an examination point of view is, in practice, how is it being implemented. See, it is common in India that you will see books by name banking law and practice, income tax law and practice. So if law was implemented in exactly the way it has been written, we wouldn't have these names of law and practice. So how does it get handled during practice? Well, let's take this case as an example. It's an interesting case. So the case was between Ankit Mittal versus income tax officer. Okay. Now this ruling was given by the income tax appellate tribunal. Now when I say the ruling was given by appellate tribunal, it means that the case was first between the assessee and the assessing officer. Assessing officer had handled that case in a particular manner, wherein the assessee was not satisfied with the finding, and then he went on appeal. Now what is the case about? So here was an assessee who had claimed loss from house property. Now this house property was in the name of himself and his wife, right? So they were joint owners, 50% share. So what had happened was, the assessee had made investments for the property, loans, installments, EMIs, etc. Time and again repairs and everything that he had incurred. And as is the practice in the Indian context, the property was in the name of the husband and wife for security reasons, so that one gets to be the natural nominee and legal heir of the other. While it went to assessment, the assessing officer recorded the husband and the wife are co-owners, or let's say they are joint owners with 50% share. He said that I can allow only 50% of the loss from house property that the assessee has claimed. He said, I can only allow you 50% because Mr. Assessee, you are owner for only 50%. Now, the assessee's stand was that, well, I have made all the investments, I have paid all the installments, then why only 50%, right? So he was dissatisfied apparently, and then the case went to the income tax appellate tribunal. Now it is a known fact that the tribunal, the ITAT, is the apex or the final fact-finding authority. All questions of facts